We, Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan, have decided to extend a helping hand to the affected and displaced families. We have decided to contribute in alleviating, reducing and minimizing the suffering of those people by conducting a hot meals distribution campaign. So we're now here at the kitchen preparing 1,000 hot meals in order to provide and support the displaced in the Gaza shelters with. So please stay with us. We, Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan, have just reached 𝐷 shelter in the central area of the Gaza Strip in order to continue and complete our hot meals distribution campaign. We're now seeking to start distributing 1,000 hot meals to the displaced and afflicted families here in this area, specifically in 𝐷 shelter, in an attempt to alleviate their suffering. So please stay with us.